Nematodes are among the most abundant animals on Earth. These resilient roundworms inhabit nearly every environment. They are crucial to our global ecosystem. Nematodes possess a cylindrical and elongated body. They are unsegmented with tapering ends. Bitree allows the body to be divided. This splits them into two equal halves.
Nematodes are triploblastic, developing from 3 germ layers. They are pseudocollimates with a false body cavity. A tough cuticle covers and protects their body.
Nematodes have a complete digestive system. Food enters the mouth and exits through a separate anus. Lacking organs, respiration occurs simply by diffusion.
Nematodes can be free-living or parasitic. They infect both plants and animals. Sexes are separate, and males are usually smaller. They reproduce sexually. Phylum Nematoda is divided into 2 classes. Class Adenophoria are mostly free-living. They lack sensory phasmids. Examples include Trichuris and Trichinella.
Class Cesarnentia, also known as Phasmidia, possess specialized sensory organs, including Ascaris lumbricoides, Ancylostoma and Wuchereria bancrofti.
Like this video if you love clean fun. Share it with all of your cleanest friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more.